back. Let's play out some ground reports that have been coming in because India's message is loud and clear. It will eradicate terrorism once and for all. And ever since India has successfully launched its extensive fight against terrorism under Operation Sindoor, every suspicious movement is now being monitored with high priority. Where massive search operations that have been carried out across Jammu and Kashmir and focusing particularly in border areas and infiltration-prone zones as well. Of course, we've seen the kind of anti-terror crackdown that has also been taken up by our defense forces. In the last 48 hours alone, 6 dreaded terrorists have also been neutralized.
सच है विपत्ति जब आती है कायरों को ही दहलाती है शूरमा नहीं विचलित होते एक क्षण नहीं धीरज खोते These are our brave hearts who are standing strong on our borders 24/7. Even after Operation Sindoor, there is a comma, not a full stop. That's a strong message. And here we are reporting just from the closest area to the border, where continuously the search operations are being carried out. You can see that our forces, our brave hearts, are guarding our borders at the LOC, at the international border, and here to the nearest area, the search operations are being carried out. Even if there is a suspicion, they come over here to check the ID cards, to check so as to what is happening over here, whether there is any kind of suspicious movement or not. Not just the ID card, but the officials also go, the security forces, the SOG that you're here watching on your television screens right now, are scanning, scrutinizing each and every area so as to whether there was any kind of suspicious movement over here at night or not. Because remember that there have been several movements, there have been several tips that have been provided over here in the nearby areas. We'll come inside Amit ji to show that what kind of checking is taking place over here, because remember that just within a few days back how we neutralized 3 terrorists that belong to LET. Before that also 3 other terrorists were neutralized, and there was a tip off of some suspicious element in this area. So that's why there is this massive search operation being carried out. Entire area also has been cordoned off. You can see that how the houses are also being scanned. If there is any suspected material also found, that also will be scanned over here thoroughly, and when they get a clearance, when they get that yes, everything is clear over here, then only a green signal is given. Here at my left hand side, as you can see, that the room over here is also being scanned, not just one but several other rooms being scanned under the scrutiny. The security forces, the SOG of the Jammu and Kashmir police, carrying out this massive operation, to keep a check. So Pakistan, hear out loudly, watch this, that even if we have agreed for the ceasefire, even if we have pleaded for the ceasefire, still, if you continue with your cowardly tactics, and we are sure that you will, because you are someone who can never be trusted. You are in fact someone who preaches terrorism. So that's why here we are on full alert. Our security forces are on full alert, guarding the border, each and every corner that comes under the sensitive zone. Here also you can see in the pictures as well that how they are all equipped with their arms, ammunition, everything is ready. Even if there is a movement, then you will get a befitting reply, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already said that even one act of terrorism will be considered as an act of war. So you better be in your limits and understand what's coming up next to you.
Meanwhile, Times Now has also reported from the Bulletproof Combat Vehicle, which is a part of the active operation. This bulletproof vehicle, which not only protects the life of men in uniform, but also works as a protective shield before any terrorist trained by Pakistani army. Let's take a look at this detailed report.
As Prime Minister has said that Bharat Mata Ki Jai is not just a slogan, but it's an oath of every soldier who puts his life at stake for our Bharat Mata. And here currently Times Now is reporting from a combat vehicle which is a part of an active operation. We'll go inside the vehicle and show you that how our security forces, the Jammu Kashmir police, is 24/7 on ground monitoring this particular situation. We are with security forces right now who will be the part of an active operation along with this combat vehicle, and we'll also be showing you that how in fact this particular vehicle is not just a vehicle but is also a lifeline. That's in fact a moving bunker for these Jawans who are in fact, present over here. We have been reporting over here inside this combat vehicle. You can see that all of these Jawans, the security forces, the Jammu Kashmir police Jawans are all armed, equipped with heavy weapons, and this particular vehicle from inside which we are reporting right now is a combat vehicle. As I mentioned, that this vehicle is not just a lifeline but also helps to target the enemy. This, in fact, you can see on my right and left hand side, it has two windows, a small window and a larger window. So small window in fact is used to monitor that what's happening outside. Not just that, but the window below it is used to shoot the enemy, to target the enemy. This is the purpose of the window. So in fact, what we have been trying to send a message and tell our viewers that even if India has put a comma, it is not a full stop, because our security forces are all on tight vigil. They are on the highest security alert as of now, at every checkpoint, on every route, at every road, at every square. And that's why in fact here also Jammu Kashmir police is carrying out massive intensified search operation at regular intervals in several areas. And in fact the vehicle also, from which I am reporting right now, it is not just used to to safeguard the lives of the Jawans, but also in fact to rescue the people at a time when there is heavy shelling or heavy artillery shelling or heavy mortars are fired from the side of enemy. And in fact, as I was mentioning, that these vehicles are generally used at a time when there is cross-border firing, because we have been seeing that how tensions were escalating between both the countries, India and Pakistan, at the international border, at the LOC. But currently we are reporting in fact from the just few kilometers away from the international border in Jammu. However, we are not going to disclose our location because of the security reasons. We are reporting with utmost responsibility, with full due permission. But here, yes, what we are picking up from the ground, that no matter what, Pakistan in fact pleaded for ceasefire. We agreed for ceasefire, but the message is very much strong that even if there is an inch of movement, an inch of an attempt, of an cowardly attempt from the side of Pakistan, then Pakistan this time won't be spared, because that will be considered as an act of war. As Prime Minister has already stated, that is bar goli ka jawab gole se milega. That's the Prime Minister has been saying, and that is why our security forces are here on high alert, monitoring each and every situation, minute to minute, second to second, keeping eye on any kind of a suspicion element, even a bit, that is found over here at the border area, say it be at the international border or at the LOC.